Welcome back to Car Compass, your go-to source for the latest automotive news and reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated vehicles of 2025, the Toyota Hilux. This rugged yet refined pickup truck has been a staple in markets around the world, and for good reason. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Toyota Hilux stand out from the crowd. Powerful performance and engine options. The 2025 Toyota Hilux doesn't shy away from delivering a solid performance on and off the road. For the new model year, Toyota continues to offer a range of powerful engine options. The standard configuration is a 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine that strikes a perfect balance between efficiency and power. For those who need a bit more grunt, the 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine makes a return, producing an impressive 201 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Whether you're tackling tough worksite tasks or venturing into the great outdoors, the Hilux's engines provide the muscle needed to get the job done. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or automatic transmission, the Hilux offers a smooth, responsive driving experience on both highways and rough terrains. Bold exterior design. The 2025 Hilux boasts a bold and aggressive exterior design, maintaining its tough, go-anywhere attitude while incorporating more refined styling elements. The front grille is more prominent, with sleek LED headlights that provide a modern touch. The muscular wheel arches and aggressive stance give the Hilux an unmistakable presence on the road. Toyota has also focused on improving aerodynamics, making the 2025 Hilux more fuel-efficient while retaining its rugged utility. Whether you choose a single cab, extra cab, or double cab variant, the Hilux offers versatility with a robust bed for cargo and the ability to carry heavy loads with ease. Interior comfort and technology. Inside the 2025 Toyota Hilux, Toyota has upgraded both comfort and technology to create a more refined cabin experience. While still rugged enough to handle dirt and dust, the interior is much more pleasant for long journeys. New premium upholstery, including leather seating options, elevates the comfort level, while the cabin layout remains user-friendly for drivers who need easy access to controls. Butterflies possibly welcome to R10. On the technology front, the Hilux comes equipped with an upgraded infotainment system, now featuring a larger touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and improved connectivity features. Safety also remains a priority, with Toyota's suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Now on to off-road capabilities. As with all Hilux models, the 2025 iteration is built with off-road prowess in mind. The Hilux is available with either rear-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, giving drivers the flexibility they need for various terrains. Whether it's traversing sand dunes, rocky trails, or muddy paths, the Hilux delivers exceptional grip and stability. Toyota has also improved the suspension system for a more comfortable and controlled ride when venturing off the beaten path. The improved approach and departure angles mean the Hilux is more capable than ever before, ready to take on challenging landscapes without breaking sweat. Final thoughts? In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Hilux remains one of the best all-around pickup trucks available today. With a mix of power, style, and reliability, it continues to build on its reputation as the ultimate workhorse. Whether you need it for